Hi, what's going on, guys? And today I'll be telling you how you can get the developer mode in Xbox for only $2. So first you have to go to this link that will be in the description, and then just click sign up. After that you have to sign using your account that you want, and then click next. In this you have to choose Windows and Xbox, you can see, and click next. After that, this is the most important step. In this account, country, or region, you have to choose Turkey. And then in the account type, you have to pick individual and click next. And then after this, you have to just fill up all of these things here. So let me just click. So now for the information, you just have to, for me the location is random, you can just google it up, the zip code, and then the phone number is fine, and your email as well. So after that, Microsoft will want your credit card, so just fill it in. So after you have put in your card, now you just have to click pay now and use it. So the next thing that you have to do is install Xbox Safe Mode and launch the app. So now your screen will be like this, and just follow the steps as necessary. And then you go to the website and enter this code. So now once you are at the website, you just have to click this plus button, then enter activation code, and then you copy what is on your screen, and then you just click submit, and then after that it's all done.